Since 2005, I have been volunteering in Liberia on a medical mission to provide free medical services. What motivated me to indulge in this life-rewarding passion is the dream I have had since my childhood days. That is a passion to work in healthcare and to provide and support the most vulnerable citizens with medical services. While in Liberia in 2014, the country was hit with Ebola viral diseases that killed 4,000 Liberians. Equipped with my life passion to provide medical care to the most vulnerable population, I was motivated to join the fight against the world's deadliest Ebola outbreak and to educate the population of Liberia about the danger and prevention of Ebola epidemic, and to raise funds to buy personal protective equipment and ship them to Liberia, to build medical clinics to strengthen the Liberian Kola healthcare system. As the last patient leaves the hospital this week, I'm proud that my motivation not only helped my country, but gave them hope for better and healthier Liberia.